Quadratic expressions in one variable are fairly straightforward. When written in their simplest possible form, they look like this. A term with an x squared in it, plus or minus a term with an x in it, plus or minus a constant. The terms are called the quadratic term, the linear term, and the constant term. We say that a quadratic expression is written in standard form when it's written out just this way: quadratic term, then linear term, then constant term. And as we've mentioned in the past, these are pretty nice, right? It always has exactly 3 terms, and we're going to refer to the coefficients in a specific way. We are going to regularly call the leading coefficient, the coefficient of the quadratic term, A, the coefficient of the linear term, B, and the constant term, C. So in this quadratic expression, we see A equals 3, B equals -7, and C equals 4. Notice that the sign is included in the coefficient, as usual. Sometimes we will encounter a quadratic expression not written in standard form. For example, we might see the quadratic expression x minus 4 squared plus 3. And one of the things that we might choose to do to an expression like this is to write it in standard form and then identify the coefficients A, B, and C. How would we do this? We would need to actually perform this exponentiation, which means actually doing this multiplication. First terms give me x squared. Outer terms, -4x. Inner terms, -4x again. Last terms, +16. And all of that is +3. Simplifying by combining like terms, noticing that I can drop these parentheses since addition is associative, I'll have x squared minus 8x plus 19. And so A, the coefficient of the x squared term, is 1. B, the coefficient of the x term, is -8. And C, the constant term, is 19. I'm going to have you try a problem just like this. Write this expression in standard form and identify A, B, and C. Pause the video and try this now. All right, I'm going to need to actually work out all of the multiplication here. This first product, x times 2x is 2x squared. X times -3 is -3x. -2 times 2x is -4x. -2 times -3 is +6. Plus, here I'm distributing 2x minus 2. Noting that this is addition, I can now collect all the like terms. 2x squared minus 3x minus 4x is -7x, plus 2x is -5x. 6 minus 2 is +4. So I'll have A is 2, B is -5, and C is 4. So this is the standard form of a quadratic expression. When do we say a quadratic equation or a quadratic function is in standard form? A quadratic function is in standard form when its expression is written in standard form. Similarly, a quadratic equation is in standard form when it's written in the form quadratic expression in standard form equals 0.